Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mir B. If you're not, then welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I would love to have you a part of the community. Go ahead and do your girl a favor and hit that subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to be doing a grocery shopping haul. If you're like me, you're not going to be able to find everything in just one store. It took me 3 different stores to get everything I needed for the week. We have our healthy options. I did pick up a cheap little snack. No judgment here. We're all about 80-20 rule, balance, life balance, and just making it work for ourselves. And as we know, eating healthy can be a little bit pricey, but it doesn't always have to be if you shop at the right stores. However, it's not gonna be the same price as regular food. Of course, you can go in the store and get a bag of chips for $1 when it costs $2 for a freaking banana. Okay, a little exaggeration. And if you also don't know, I like to exaggerate things. Enough of me rambling off. Let's go ahead and get into this grocery shopping haul. The 3 stores that I shopped at for this haul is Trader Joe's, Lidl, and also Food Line. Normally I do majority of my shopping at Trader Joe's, but I also set myself up this week by going on a Sunday, knowing that they get their shipment on Thursday in my local neighborhood, and also knowing that everybody shops on Sunday and there's no produce. The produce was literally picked over, so I had to go to Food Line and get some of my produce, and then I also went to Lidl to get my meats because they're a little bit cheaper there, especially when you want salmon. I'm not trying to pay $40 for a slab of salmon, but I also want good quality, and Lidl is just definitely my go-to place for just that. Go ahead and unpack these groceries, and then we're gonna get into what I got. Oh yeah, okay. If I'm being honest with y'all, something happened with my camera settings and my camera was just not giving. So in the previous clips, you would see like this line just running through the camera. But let's get back into it. I like to start with my produce and getting my produce cleaned and cut and prepped so that whenever I'm ready to eat it, I can just go ahead and cook it or go ahead and just put it in a bowl and snack on it and don't have to do too much. We're gonna go over the things I got from Lidl first, and then we're gonna get into Trader Joe's and Food Line last. I got 2 slabs of salmon, turkey sausage, barbecue sauce, onion powder, cheese to go with my turkey chops, 2 bags of Brussels sprouts, olive oil, and lastly some muscadine grapes. Now what I got from Trader Joe's, I got some seaweed snack, 2 boxes of pilaf rice, zong sauce, fresh carton of eggs, blueberries, almond milk, lemons, cantaloupe, some turkey chops, lentil onion rings, and granola. And since I'm keeping it real with y'all, I did get some chips that I didn't need. But we're gonna hold these off because I'm thinking about doing a picnic this week. And I want sandwiches, and I love sandwiches and chips. From Food Line, we got 2 yellow dragon fruit, 3 bunches of asparagus, 2 cucumbers, ginger, 2 baskets of strawberries, celery, kale, bananas, apples, and protein shakes. I don't know off the top of my head how much I spent at each place, but I know the rough amounts. I spent roughly about $60 at Lidl. I spent roughly around $45 to $50 at Trader Joe's, and I spent roughly around $25 at Food Line. I'll have the grand totals in the caption and also post it on this video. Now that I went over my full grocery list with you guys, it's time to do the easy part and my favorite part, restocking. Let's get into it.